So my hair was washed 4 days ago, clean and perfectly fine, and I even didn't put anything on my scalp because I wanted to be like rested, leave clean without putting anything on my head. However, even though I washed 4 days again, never happened to me. It itched me like a hell. So I had to detox again to wash it on the fourth day. Even it's super dry and everything, but it's so crazy the way it's itching me. So let's do this. So this is the ingredient I need to detox my scalp. I have aloe vera gel. This is how I preserve. If you haven't seen video how I preserve my aloe vera gel, you can go and check. I'm going to link below. And then apple cider vinegar. And the next ingredient is going to be, yeah, as you imagine, soda, baking soda. So, and then lemon. Make sure when you mix first aloe vera gel and vinegar, but make sure you put it slow, or it's going to be all foamy and then come out like you won't find it. Other way to use this one, next time I'm going to try to start to put in baking soda, maybe slow on your hair before you open your can roll, and then after mix together vinegar and then lemon and put on your hair directly. But I mix it this way. I put this one inside there, and I put this one. I put a little bit of water with the hand so it will come down, not to come out. As you can see, I put a little bit of water because I don't want to waste it. All my ingredient, as you can see, was growing up. And then I'm gonna add a slow lemon. When I put lemon, it's probably trying to come up, but like you see, I put water a little bit again. That is why I said next time I'm going to try can roll my hair in 4 to 5 places and then put whole baking soda in, and then after I put the powder, I'm going to detox. This is going to be really messy, so I'm going to just, as you can see and as you can tell, getting messy. So just to go on my head down and put in the bath and then start to apply. Let me tell you something. After this, I kept it like 10 minutes in my head and wash it. My scalp didn't itch me at all. It was so good. I felt so good. I didn't put my thumbnail on my scalp anymore. So yeah, this is how I detox it, and then it was so peaceful. It was so good, guys. Let me know what you think, and also how you mix when you use is if you try to come out like mine. I hope this is helpful. I was so crazy, so always it's me. I mean, I just washed, but I don't know what happened. Maybe the build up the product I used. So yeah, I wrap it. I left it for 10 minutes. And then I washed it. So good. It was felt so good, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you think this video was helpful, please don't forget to give subscribe to my channel. I just twisted my hair after like this and then let it in peace. Yes, that was beautiful.